Okay, are you ready?
I guess.
Okay. That may be serious. If you would have asked me 10 years ago what my dream wedding was, I would have never imagined that I would be standing on the side of a mountain in Montana, surrounded by our 4 closest friends that are family. But here we are, and I couldn't imagine a more perfect day and a more perfect story to tell our future children.
Before I met you, the idea of a girlfriend, or well, a wife now, seemed like I never even thought about it. But then one night in high school, I met you, and there was something that changed. With a bunch of pep talk, I worked up the nerve to ask you to be my girlfriend. And we haven't turned back.
Oh, thank you.
Please don't. I think so.
In these past 7 years, you have brought out parts of me that I didn't even know existed. Parts of me that I always pushed down because I thought they were too much for somebody or that I felt I was supposed to be ashamed of. From the time we met, you have treated me like a princess, even if I felt like I didn't deserve it, and even when I pushed you away. For that, I am beyond thankful.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you look good.
Thank you for always saying yes to my crazy ideas, like buying a camper, completely redoing it, and then living full-time in it, to all of our mini trips and hikes, and most of all, for saying yes to our sweet Noah. Thank you for loving me with your full heart. You will never be able to know how much you healed me and came into my life when I needed you the most.
Let's remember together this moment starts off forever. Let's remember together this moment starts off forever.
Thank you for reaching for my hand when I'm lost and holding my head up high when I feel like giving up. You give me a reason to look forward to tomorrow, even when everything feels impossible.
No matter what road life takes us down, I will be there right by your side.
Now here's to a lifetime of more adventures. I love you.
We did it.
Oh, that was hard.
That'll be annoying to hear again, huh?